Alright guys, we're getting ready for the Zimmermann show. My guests this morning are Kiki.
Good morning.
Gianpaolo.
Good morning.
GRWM Beauty, Kiki Hair Cutter. If you want to follow us. We're getting ready. We're discussing our looks of what I'm going to look like. So we found this picture yesterday of this girl and she had like this kind of beautiful, feminine, pinky, ready eye. And it sounds really, I'm not sure why Kiki just did that, but that's not my intro, but that's okay. So we're going for this, for this look. It's like a soft, pinky, rosy eye, possibly with a really strong lip. I know it sounds too much, but it's Fashion Week and we're trying to show a few trends, and it's really gorgeous, and I think you guys are gonna love it. I'm very excited to go to Zimmermann.
We're gonna use some pink. This is gonna be fun.
Our color is Panic. Panic at the disco. It's got a little shimmer in it too, which I really love. Look how pretty that is.
So on the eyes, we use this. This is a blush, and it's beautiful, called Panic. And I use the pink one, and I blend it with this one that is just a luminizer. It's not an eyeshadow with this, but you can play colors.
And what is that?
This is also a palette from NARS.
What's the palette called?
Sarah Moon, inspired by her. I know, I love it.
She's a really good photographer.
Look at this picture, guys. So very simple, all on the eyelids, the pink up to the bone, and then in the inner corner I blend it with this one, very simple, and then on the bottom just the pink, and again blend it like in the inner corner with the white. And now I'm going to use a little bit of moisturizer, just very simple, to clean the bottom of the eyes. You'll see how much. So this one will change the color of your concealer or your foundation, and then you would have to use more products to cover it up, and you will never get the right skin tone because you have already this sprinkle of pink. And you start from your eyes, and all the imperfection that you see when you have a bare face, when you start with a base, all the imperfection that you see when you start with the eyes, it's kind of magic because they kind of like disappear, some of them, because already you have like your focus on the eyes, so it makes you wear less base. So you're gonna do a lighter, more natural base, just because it's like an illusion. You don't see those imperfections that you would see if you just have a bare eye.
So guys, I just finished blow drying Molly's hair. I like to use a soft brush, and it gets nice and close to her scalp.
Talk about this one, it's so good.
Makes her hair smooth. This one is from Ibiza. I love their brushes. The texture of the bristles is so great, grabs the hair really well. Now I'm going to go through, because I want a little bit of texture in her hair, so I'm going to do an S-wave with a flat iron. It makes the curl lay more flat against her and a little more just textured as opposed to like a beach wave. So all I do is take a piece of hair, about an inch section, and you just make an S pattern with it. And as you make the S, you go down and tap it with the flat iron.
So on the skin we're using just a little bit of tint moisturizer in St. Moritz.
It's so good. It's like an all-time classic. They reformulated it into the
Beautiful.
tubes, which make it so much easier.
A little bit of powder in beach.
Beach.
Life's a beach.
Life's a beach.
Just here. I control the shine. I'm a shine controller.
Shine control. You are a shine controller.
You know?
But I do love that color.
It's beautiful. So
Beautiful.
soft, so natural.
I'm spraying a little wave spray Actually, wave spray to give Molly's hair a little bit of texture and a little bit of grit before I put it up.
So I'm gonna put some glow luminizer in August on the cheek. Can I? Yeah.
Yeah.
See how beautiful is this? I'm gonna use on the cheeks the same blush that I use on the eyes.
I'm applying a little dry texture right in the crown of her head. Molly's hair is so healthy and smooth that we just need a little texture to give it a little grit.
A little texture.
A little texture. Perfetto.
So mascara.
Look at that. This is the biggest tube of mascara ever. What is inside?
God.
Gorgeous too. Like a purse. Voila. Never fake it. You never fake it.
Never.
I love this because it's got like a mirror. It's like amazing. What is this? This is amazing.
The name of the mascara.
Never fake it. Oh my gosh. The name of the mascara is Climax.
Never fake it.
Never fake it.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, that's so good. That's so pretty. Let's see, shall we?
That's zoom.
Priscilla. You don't have your glasses, you take a picture of it and then you blow it up. It's Priscilla, lip gloss. Brilliant lèvres.
When you're over 40,
Beautiful lip.
So, very easy application. We're just gonna apply on the top.
Oh, the makeup is beyond. So
Thank you, my love. She
That's so
is
pretty.
Beautiful. Gorgeous.
Oh my god, I love it.
You love?
Love. So good.
Yes, you look amazing. So beautiful. I love it.
Absolutely.